Flawless design and spectacular views welcome you instantly to this simply amazing sky home in the Aurora Tower. One of only 4 in the building, this beautiful apartment is so much more than a home in the sky. It is a lifestyle of unsurpassable quality. Floor-to-ceiling glass windows allow for the most tremendous panoramic views as far as the eye can see over the Brisbane River and CBD. High ceilings complement the separate living and dining areas with a large 24 square metre internal alfresco balcony completing the perfect layout. The restaurant-grade kitchen is beautifully appointed with eye-catching reconstituted marble bench tops and is equipped with only the finest stainless steel appliances, including a 900mm Miele oven and 5-burner gas cooktop. Both bedrooms are completely separated from each other. The master bedroom boasts a stunning ensuite complemented by floor-to-ceiling marble tiles, generous-sized spa bath, and only the finest appointments. This apartment needs to be seen to be believed. It has a truly spectacular design